In this video, I am going to show you how to create a professional CV using Canva. 1. Canva has a wide range of CV templates, from modern and creative designs to more traditional and industry-specific themes. Take your time to browse through the collection and choose one that aligns with your personality. Once you've selected a template, Canva will open it in the drag-and-drop editor, making it easy to customize. Fill in your details by either typing directly into the template or copying and pasting from an existing document. If you want to include a photo, upload a professional headshot. This adds a personal touch and can make your CV more memorable. Experiment with different font combinations and color schemes available in Canva to find the perfect match of your CV's tone and style. Utilize Canva's infographic maker to add a professional timeline to your CV. Browse through Canva's extensive library of graphic elements and add icons, shapes, or lines that make your CV more visually appealing and highlight important information. After that, keep your CV saved, and also you can export it via PDF or JPG files. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.